Good morning everyone. So I am welcoming everyone to our second class of IT. Hope all of you watched our first video. Now we are going to start our next portion of first chapter. Hope all of you are ready for our next class. Okay, so let's start. All of you take page number 3 in your textbook. Page number 3. So we studied in last class what we have studied. We studied the difference between computer and human beings. We studied what all things computer can do and also human beings. Some matters computer can do, we can't do that. But in the same time, whatever things we can do, computer cannot. So these are the things we have discussed in our first video. Hope all of you understood that. Now we are moving to the next part, and our next part is types of computer. So children, our next topic is types of computer. There are different kinds of computer. Now we are going to study each and every one. So the first one is desktop. Second one is laptop. Third one is palm top. And the fourth one is tablet. So these are the 4 types of computer. Once again, these are the 4 types of computer. So each is having different special features. So now we are going to discuss that. Which is the first one? Desktop. What is this is desk. All of you know what is a desk. So desktop means top also you know the meaning of top. So desktop computers means above the desk we can place our computer. So desk means if we are having a desk in front of us, we can keep our computer in front above that desk. That is what desktop computer. I hope everyone has seen computer. Yes, when you are in first standard, you have seen computer from our school. Okay, so from our computer lab, you have seen computers. How it is placed on the top of a desk, we have placed our computer. So that computer is known as what? Desktop computer. Once again, desktop computer. What is the first word? Desktop. That means on the top of the desk we are placing our computer. Then it is known as desktop computer. Okay. Now what is the next one? Laptop. What is this? Laptop. Which is our lap? Here is our lap. So above on top of our lap we can keep our computer. That computer is known as laptop. What is the name of that computer? Laptop. So it is a lightweight one. So very easily we can keep it on our lap. So it is known as what? Laptop computer. Now what is the third one? Palm top. So just like this way we can hold that computer. Okay. We can hold our computer inside our hand. It is a small one. That is known as palm top computer. And which is the last one? Tablet. I hope everyone has seen a tablet. It is a touch screen. No need of keyboard and mouse. We can simply touch using our finger. Using our finger we can easily touch it. So children, we have studied 4 types of computer. Which is the first one? Desktop. In page number 3. In page number 3 it is clearly given. The picture is clearly given. This is desktop. Here you can see above the or top of the desk the computer is placed. It is known as desktop. Now what is the next one? Laptop. In the same page, you can see the picture of laptop. Where we can place this laptop? On the top of our lap. Now in next page, page number 4, you can see the picture of palm top. Like this way we can place our computer, that is known as palm top, and also the picture of tablet is given. So once again, there are 4 types of computer. First one is desktop, laptop, palm top, and the last one is tablet. What is a desktop computer? We can keep our computer on top of a desk. Very easily you can understand, because desktop. Desktop means on top of the desk we can place our computer. Then we can do like this. Okay. Then what is laptop? On top of our lap. On top of our lap we can place that computer. It is known as what? Laptop. Then third one is palm top. Like this way we can keep inside our palm, we can keep our computer. It is a small computer. It is known as what? Palm top computer. And the last one is tablet. Tablet means it is a touch screen. In that touch screen, using your finger, you can touch what all things you need to do. You can touch it and you can do your work very easily. So these are the 4 types of computer. Which is the first one? Desktop, laptop, palm top, and tablet. Now all of you take page number 3 in your textbook. Page number 3. Now all of you take page number 3 and keep your fingers while I am reading, and you can read with me. So let's start. Types of computer. There are mainly 4 types of computers available in the market, namely desktop, laptop, palm top, and tablet. Desktop computer. A desktop computer is a computer which is designed to fit easily on the top of a desk. It is also known as a personal computer. Laptop. A laptop is a computer which is designed to fit easily on a person's lap. It is a lightweight computer and runs on battery. Thus, it can be carried anywhere. Now take page number 4. Palm top. A palm top is a small computer that can easily fit in your palm. It also runs on a battery. Tablet. A tablet is a small computer that has a touchscreen display. All the tasks are performed by directly touching the screen rather than through a keyboard or mouse. So, we have discussed about the 4 types of computer, which is the first one, desktop, laptop, palm top, and tablet. Once again, desktop, laptop, palm top, and tablet. Now, all of you take page number 4. We can move to the next part. Now the next topic is working of a computer. So now we are going to study how a computer will work. We know that last year you have played game on a computer, also you have drawn picture, but we don't know how this is happening. Yes or no? Last year how you have drawn picture using mouse, you have selected shapes, otherwise you have selected a pencil and you have drawn a picture. You simply moved or dragged the mouse, but what happens? The picture you can see on the monitor. We don't know how this is happening. Now we are going to study how a computer works. For example, we can take an example. So there are 3 steps. If you want to buy a dress, okay, you want to stitch a cloth, what happens? The first step is cloth. What is the first step? Cloth. What is the second step? Stitching. You want to stitch that. And what happens third? If it is a shirt, that cloth become shirt. So these are the 3 steps. Yes or no? While you are adding, if you want to add 1 plus 1, you will write 1 plus 1. What is the second step? Addition. What is the third step? You will get the answer. Another example. If you want to make a juice, what happens? Sorry, a mistake. It is not this 2. Okay. So another example. If you want to make a juice, okay, what happens? You will take that fruit. That is the first step. What do you want? You want the ingredients. Fruit you needed and what all the things you need. Sugar, water. That is the first step. What is the second step? You put these things into the mixer. That second step is grinding. And what is the third step? You will get a juice. So once again, first you want the things to make that juice. If it is apple juice, you need apple, sugar, water. Yes or no? That is the first step. Second step, you put these things into the mixer. Then you will grind that. Okay, what is the third step? You will get apple juice. Just like that way, in everything, there are 3 steps. Okay, in everything, there are 3 steps for working. Just like that, in computer also, there are how many steps? 3 steps are there. Now we can discuss that. So which is the first step? In computer, the first step is called as input. What is the name of first step? Input. What is the name of second step? Processing. The second step is called processing. And what is the name of third step? Output. These are the 3 steps in the working of a computer. So if the 3 steps are there, only a computer will work. Understood? There are 3 steps for working a computer, which is the first one, input, processing, output. Once again, input, processing, output. So now we can take that example we have discussed about that cloth. What is the input here? Cloth. What is the processing done here? Stitching. What is the output we are going to get? Shirt. Yes or no? If we are taking in the case of apple juice, what is the input? Apple, sugar, water. That is the first step. What is the second step? We put it in the mixer and it will grind. And what is the third step? Apple juice. So these are the 3 steps involved in the working of a computer. Once again, input, processing, output. Input, processing, output. The first step is input, second step processing, and the third one is output. In your textbook, the picture of or the example for input, processing and output have given in page number 4. So once again, in the working of a computer, there are 3 steps: input, processing and output. So today we have discussed 2 topics. The first one is different types of computer. We have 4 different types of computer, which is the first one: desktop, laptop, palm top and tablet. What is a desktop computer? The computer which we keep on the top of a desk is known as desktop. What is laptop? The computer which we keep on top of our lap, that is known as laptop. And the third one is palm top. You can keep that computer in our palm. And what is the last one? Tablet. Tablet means a touch screen computer, and using our fingers we can touch on the screen, then we can work very easily. These are the 4 types of computer we have discussed. After that, we have studied working of a computer. There are 3 steps: input, processing and output. 3 steps, and also we have studied the examples. Now all of you want to read page number 3, 4 and 5. So 3 times you want to read page number 3, page number 4 and 5. Now I am going to give you the work you want to do in your notebook. So in your notebook, you want to write the spelling of desktop, laptop, palm top and tablet. So in your notebook, neatly you want to write the spelling of desktop 10 times, laptop, palm top and tablet. So this is the work you want to do in your notebook. So hope all of you understood the chapter, today's class, that is the first one is types of computer, 4 types: desktop, laptop, palm top and tablet. What is the second topic? Working of a computer. There are 3 steps: input, processing and output. These are the portions we have discussed today. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you.